What's going on, guys? Astro with Hidden Profits Crypto, a channel focused on bringing the best low cap hidden gems and turn you into a smart risk, high reward investor. Today, we're going to be doing a very simple and easy tutorial on how to buy the KAS or Kaspa token on the Exbitron exchange. Now, if you guys have not signed up for an account yet on Exbitron and you want to get some Kaspa tokens, I do have a referral link down in the description that you guys can go ahead and check out. Helps support the channel and it gets you guys on the exchange. And to be 100% honest with you, this exchange is very impressive. It's still very new and it doesn't have a ton of features, but the basic things that it does have, it does very well. So, make sure to check that out. But let's go ahead and move on into the tutorial on how to buy the Kaspa token. All right. So here we are at the Exbitron exchange. You can go ahead and see we are in the wallets tab. Now, once you get here, if you don't know how to get here, you can go to menu and then balances, and then that will bring you right here to where we are. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and get some USDT on the exchange. Now, you're going to be able to do that by just sending some TRC-20 right to the wallet address that you see here on the page. And then once you do that, it will go ahead and show up. So once you got your balance, however much that you want to add, we're going to go ahead and type KAS into the search bar here, and then we're going to click markets. Now this is going to show all the markets available for the KAS token, and we're going to go ahead and pick USDT. Now, once we do that, we're just going to go ahead and just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to pick the next price up or the next sale price, and then I'm going to go ahead and add 100%. That's going to put the full $42 in there, and I'm going to go ahead and click confirm. And now your order will be placed, and go ahead and just give it a minute for it to fill. If it doesn't fill and the price moves around too much, you guys can always cancel the order and just put it in a different price if that's what you want to do. But once that's all done, you can go ahead and go up to the top right in the menu. You can click that and go back to balance so you can check and see how much you have. And then if you type in KAS again, it should show your total Kaspa balance. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that very easy and simple tutorial on how to buy the KAS token. There is really no other tutorial on YouTube, and specifically using the Exbitron exchange. There is another exchange that you can buy KAS off of, but some people in the Discord recommended me this one as there's way more liquidity, which means your order will get filled, and there's just more movement there in case you do want to sell your tokens. You don't get stuck with them, no one buying them, right? So yeah, the Exbitron exchange is honestly pretty impressive and very easy to get the KAS token. So like I said, if you guys are interested in withdrawing the KAS tokens to a Kaspa wallet, go ahead and check this video out over here. It'll be a very easy tutorial on how you can do that. And if you don't even have the wallet set up yet, go ahead and check this video out over here, and it will show you how to get your Kaspa wallet set up. Anyways, until next time, I'll see you guys later. Peace.